Hello everyone, my name is Omar Patterson. I'm a second year grad student here at WCU in the Masters of Health Science program taking a nutrition concentration. And today we're going to be making a Jamaican style curry chicken. This is a comfort dish for me. It's a well-known dish in Jamaica, something my dad used to make a lot of the time growing up. It was a neat experience watching him cook his meals and teach me more about his culture. Here's a list of all the stuff we have for today. Got our organic chicken, some coconut milk with scallions, potatoes, carrots, some shallots, garlic, ginger, thyme, garlic onion powder, some chicken seasoning, curry powder, allspice, black pepper, some basmati rice, and some chicken stock to deglaze the sauteed vegetables with. Starting with your vegetables, you'll take your scallions, potatoes, and carrots, peel, skin, dice those up, set those to the side. Shallots, garlic, break those down, dice, mince, set it off to the side. With our chicken, you can take that out the package. We will add some of our spices to that chicken. We'll sear off that chicken, get it brown in color, set it off to the side. Then from there, we'll get to sauteing our vegetables, the scallions, our shallots, garlic, and our ginger. And then from there, we'll deglaze our pan with some chicken stock. We'll add in our curry, and then from there, we'll add in our coconut milk. Then we'll add in our chicken, diced up potatoes, and carrots. Let that continue cooking for a little bit longer, adding in our fresh thyme towards the last 15-10 minutes. And then as far as serving, you can pair it with your favorite side. For today, we have basmati rice. We'll make a little bit of that, layer on our chicken, and add on a little bit of extra gravy.